Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good night. Berarti masih pada sadar ya. Good night everyone. The first of all, let us thank God to Allah for giving us health and the chance together here today. And on this occasion, I would like to talk about the importance of education. Education is the key to better future. With education, we can gain knowledge, build character, and achieve our dreams. Therefore, let us study hard, respect our teachers, and always be motivated to learn. I have motivation, maybe a little. Change is not always simple, and is not easy.
It's not easy.
But with enough dedication, any habit can be repeated. So if you really want it, become the person of yourself. Get up today and start working on it. I promise you'll get there. Thank you.